We remodeled our home in Argentina, and the finished result turned out way better than I expected. Our house in Argentina is located on a farm, or as locals like to say, a finca. On our property, we had a house that was already here when we bought it. To describe the home, it's a traditional Argentine home with a red roof and a brick exterior. Inside, it was completely outdated and dirty, but we saw its potential and couldn't leave it as it is. On the property, we also have a chicken coop. We used to have chickens, but I'm not sure where they went. There's also a spacious garage, a parrilla, the barbecue area, and the best part of owning a house on a farm is the abundance of organic non-GMO fruits like Concord grapes, olives, peaches, plums, and even figs. When the renovation began, we cleaned up the exterior, removed the vines, and took down a pointless wall. One of the challenges of starting a project like this in a country we weren't familiar with and without knowing Spanish was figuring out how to get things done. Somehow we managed. I would say the kitchen probably turned out the best. You'll see why later. One of the first things I've noticed about the house when I first saw it was the wooden vaulted ceiling. In my opinion, it looks so cool and it definitely adds character to the place. We cleaned up the ceiling, got rid of all the cobwebs, and added a fresh coat of white paint. The living room was quite spacious. We installed new tile throughout the house and replaced all the lighting. We kept the original shape of the fireplace but updated it with a nice dark stone, which looks great against the white walls.
Decent sized living room, add like a sofa here or something.
Our original plan was to convert the house into a rental property, possibly posting on Airbnb. With that in mind, we cleaned up the 3 bedrooms, all of which have beautiful vaulted wooden ceilings and original refinished antique windows. We cleared out some random junk from the master bedroom, which has one of the best views of the vineyard.
Something cool about this room is that we have these doors looking out into the vineyards. You can see the grapes right there. You can see some more over there. Like, that's pretty cool. Imagine waking up and seeing this in the morning.
The bathrooms were in terrible shape and had to be completely transformed. The updated guest bathroom now has a modern floating vanity, a new shower, floating shelves for storage, and new marble tile. The master bathroom received a similar upgrade with a new shower featuring glass panels, a modern faucet, and floating shelves. But nothing turned out as good as the kitchen. Previously, it had brown cabinets and felt uninviting. To change that, we swapped out the brown cabinets for sleek white modern ones. The kitchen also got a new sink, brand new appliances, and a cozy wooden seating area that's perfect for breakfast. And I'm out.